In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front brake pad wear sensor on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. And grab the wheel and slide it right off. I'm going to pull the pad sensor out. I'm just using some hose pliers. You could use some needle nose pliers. Just grab the sensor and just slide it right out. Now you want to take the bleeder screw cap off. Just pop that off. Slide the wire out. And there's a retainer right here. Just pop that retainer off. Can stay on the brake hose. There's a bracket right here. Just pop the line or the wire out of the bracket. Same over here. That's good. And then follow that, and there's a cover. We got to take this cover off. We're going to take this cover off. There's some clips. Just use a pick. Get underneath the clips. Pop this up. And grab the top connector. Push down on the tab and disconnect it. Now take the connector, it only goes on one way, line that up, lock it in place. I'll slide this in underneath the cover, close the cover down, and push the grommet into the bracket. And the lower one, and put the sensor into the pad, lock that down. The wire can go around the bleeder and just push that down. This extra clip, you can remove that. You're not going to need that for this wire. Now install the wheel. Line that up. Take the bolts. Lug bolts, get those started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.